I catch my train, leaving on the highway made of steel. Rolling through the lonely desert, it becomes the colors of Las Vegas lights, Salt Lake City in the Utah night. Postcards of America, the pictures I've seen, the traces of yesterday, and what's in between. Blue sky mountains, shining water, amber trees, the Colorado sunset fading tonight. To a Denver skyline, the Great Plains they lie ahead. I'll be leaving with the morning light. Postcards of America, the pictures I've seen, faces of America, they're looking at me. Postcards of America, American sea, a window and a photograph, the American dream. Wyoming on the wide horizon, the blue water of Columbia, the Emerald City when the day is done. California sunrise, 600 miles they'll take me home, steel rails shining as they chase the sun. Oh. Postcards of America, the pictures I've seen, the traces of yesterday, and what's in between. Postcards of America, the pictures I've seen, faces of America.